Hello, Aussie, Aussie. Where you come from? Huh?
Australia. Where you come from?
Oh, I come from somewhere Aussie, Aussie. Bring me come here. Okay, you see that man? Restaurant lovely มากเลย Oh, hello everyone. โมลูลาบา beach นะคะ ออสเตรเลียนะคะ Today we wake up and we come to the party birthday friend นะคะ They booking here for the lunch for the birthday. Yeah. And what are they same birthday นะมัน for the Helen Stephen. Huh?
Anniversary.
Anniversary นะคะ Okay. You see that name? Fritz Seafood นะคะ Today we come eat seafood นะคะ View very cool นะคะ You see that in behind my โอเคค่ะ เดี๋ยว I will to update about this area about this party birthday my friend for you too นะคะ everyone enjoy your weekend นะคะ yeah โอเคค่ะ look nice now we walk go in there like looking for friend นะคะ where the boat what boat we will take it today I think it's be cool very nice and very fun today นะคะ okay wow look cool wow you can call her man wow so good man fresh air my god beautiful Helen good idea นะเนี่ย okay good idea that I see some Thai people they live in there with their husband there another side a lot โมลูลาบาบีชนะคะ you see that sea very nice sea นะคะ beautiful sea นะคะ okay where you see โอเคค่ะ we here already นะคะ on the boat for the lunch นะคะ today my friend booking for the seafood นะคะ okay this boat like today นะคะ in the lunch house นะคะ now we waiting them now today like weekend day some people Aussie they come enjoy and party or enjoy time have the fun time good time with their family นะคะ is meanwhile look the busy นะคะ okay follow you just walk seafood lunch นะคะ okay okay look like everything ready นะคะ
This way, we gotta get on the boat.
hello
Happy birthday.
happy birthday happy birthday
Happy anniversary for me.
yeah
Hello.
There you go. Well,
now we are ready for go on the boat แล้วนะคะ okay I follow you go wow very nice นะคะ cool sunshine today yeah beautiful sunshine
Hey guys, how are we? What name? Evans Turner.
and your name Simon
Simon.
นาทอ
And
okay
we'll take you to your table. Thank you.
okay ไปgo
Great, that's gone down there. That's good.
What was it?
Not seeing that again. Ah, just tablets one.
oh
Oh, okay. Yeah, right.
okay
What did you just drop?
tablet
Hey, what name?
Oh, tablets in my pocket. They went straight down the. Okay. Let me sit here. Or just
why you sit like this
receiver here?
This is our seat.
oh okay
No, you sit with the pillow or sit
hey sit with Helen girl and girl yes man and
Sit
man
next to him.
oh okay
There's nothing on the website that tells you. It doesn't give you the menu. Doesn't give you
Classic, classic miss those.
เคาน์เตอร์บาร์ have red wine
So the one she said was $69. Now it's $75. That includes you've got your common basic
Option for you, part of your ticket today, okay? So everything that has got a price is obviously an upgrade. So folks, local fish and chips, if you get it grilled, it'll be a barramundi. Battered will be a mixed reef fish, just not sure folks. We do hamburger, chicken burger and a vegetarian burger as well. Now if you wanted to go crazy today, the upgrade to the seafood platter, it's quite a large tray.
I'll just get the King Valley. That's the one I was really
Yeah, macaroni. Next macaroni. Macaroni, and I'll have a soda and lemon.
Okay yes 1 2 3 open yeah yeah 1 2 3
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
yeah sounds good
Actually, you'll be a famous though. She's placed everything.
I put my double chin in it.
yeah
That's
okay
This is the first time I've really connected
But it's the very first
sign
of adulting.
okay
Thank you very much.
thank you
But this whole is going to Europe. He
okay
worked his balls off.
Stephen
You know, like everybody has.
Mr. Simon.
Big dream and everything. Yeah. It's got to
happy birthday okay happy forever happy Helen forever champagne
Yeah, well, Helen just posted a thing on 60.
I posted a
I
photo
was
of
60 and sent that. You'll lose it. Yeah, it's gone forever.
yeah
41 kilometres
No more video.
and this section here is all man-made. So it was generally
beautiful มากเลย you see that yeah you see that oh my god wow beautiful นะคะมูราบา this is another side นะคะ we have walked before นะคะ Island สวยมากนะคะ
Okay, you go.
the injury is now Ewa. And you're about to see folks the
โอเคค่ะ now food coming นะคะ เดี๋ยว I will update food for you นะคะ how หอย how หอย taste tell me หอยยำ อันนี้ฉันอร่อยยำ
A different way. I like mini oils.
โอเค
Yeah.
โอเค what taste หอย โอ้โห how taste Steven okay your turn your turn eat หอย
Rick say oil is alright.
okay how taste yes yum
We can say on to Thai people, lady like oil.
อ๋อ lady ไลท์หอย โอเค lady ไลท์หอย โอเค ดิสลัดนะคะ
Some muscle. I could say lady.
ไซมอน
Say lady like
เป็นไฟนะคะ
That's better. That's more real.
คอนนะคะออกุ้งนะคะออชิปอออะไรนะ
different shape, different shape muscle.
แฮปปี้เบอร์เดย์พอนะสตีเฟนนะคะถือโอเค time to eat ค่ะ
Irwin's house is in behind there, ladies and gentlemen. They lived there up until 2003. Now, Steve's popularity really took off, and so did the interest in the family. So the paparazzi used to be waiting out here in their boats for Steve and Terry to poke their noses out the back and get a photograph. Steve had enough, and they built the house out of the zoo. Terry's today.
Okay ค่ะ now happy birthday my friend today นะคะ and now we check it out about the boat for you นะคะ everyone okay this area like a Moruraba นะคะ beach and but not only the one side นะคะ they have the big area for the Moruraba นะคะ and now the likeกัปตัน or like that they talking about this area นะคะ see that I saw that people they live here they have very good view นะคะ you see that everyone okay ค่ะ hope everyone enjoy นะคะ enjoy my video today นะคะ and I check it out view for you นะคะ everyone and enjoy your weekend day with your family นะคะ thank you so much for watching us นะคะ see you next video ค่ะ bye bye you see that house wow so cool
And the house before it, he was only 4 years old, and the fella got a bit bored with it, folks, so he knocked the whole thing down, smashed the slab, and started again. So this is the second house. This one's only about 12 months old. They look very similar to the first design. If you've ever done a kitchen reno,
It has wheels and it drives on the road, or it goes in the